Okay, now we're heading back. It stopped raining. This is like less than an hour later. Just got a call. We're gonna head back. That's what we're doing. Lake Erie. This is what we're up against, people. We're gonna try this right here. It's like a hook system that he's came up with. We're gonna see what we can do with this. Well, everybody, we got rained out. We got rained out. I'll come over here. Get my ladder. Need my ladder. It's probably in the water. No, it's not in the water. Thank goodness my ladder's not in the water. Let me fold this ladder up. Take it to the truck. Ladder. Fold it up. I hear you, bud. He's always wanting to know where we're at. Crowing off. Here we go. Rained out, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. We got one truss up and we're ready to get going. We had to get it started at least, eh? Thanks. Yes, look at this. Rainy, dreary day. As we try to produce more good ethics work. Get it done mode. Over here to the left we got Lake Erie Speedway. I don't know if you can see that with my fogged up windows. There you go. Lake Erie Speedway. Erie, PA. Attractions near PA. Look them up. Google it. This rain is pretty wicked. Where 86 meets I-9 West. have exit 27 right here. A little bit of everything coming up. Terrible. Now it's not even raining. I don't know. What we're doing, we need 3 people. 1 operator, guy on the end of each truss, fastening them down. And then we can jump around doing diagonal bracing. So here we are, everybody. We back. Absolutely stopped raining. Okay. Gotta move that more. Setting up the trusses and get this system hooked up.
We have put screws in the ends. The verticals on the back.